Bang bang!
Flower horns.
May pagkain na, so main na ako ng lunch. Binawasan ko yung tubig. Yung lubak lang ito. Tapon yung tubig. Tsaka bang bahan na sa pickup.
We're here! Hey guys! We're just chilling here at Tarlac.
This time, ito yung mga unang mga grocery namin bisitahan na dadalhin sa Casa Corky. Mga panlinis, basically mga panlinis dahil maglilinis kami sa bahay.
Maglilinis si Corky. Century tuna.
Bigyan na very very small. So, bye-bye Project 6 din.
Bye-bye Project 6.
Bang bang! Hey, what's up? It's I don't know. What's up guys? So, I'm on my way. Sorry, alam ko, nag-drive ako pero sa loob lang naman ng parang village lang. Hindi naman ako lalabas ng highway talaga. So, currently, I'm on my way sa pet shop. So, hi, okay, okay. God. Anyway, it's okay. So si Tito Ronald, shoutout Tito Ronald, nahilig din siya bigla sa isda. Ayan, because of me. Kasi every time nagpapalit ako ng aquarium dito sa bahay nila Iko, nila Nana, papaalam ako na pag mag-upgrade ako. So hindi ko naman binibenta yung mga lumang tanks. Kung sino yung may gusto, so binibigay ko lang. So nagkataon si Tito Ronald, nahilig siya sa aquarium because of me, dahil sa mga aquarium na nililet go ko. Ang dami niya na. Siguro meron na siyang I think more than 4, more than mga 5 siguro na aquariums. Lahat galing sa akin. So anyway, siya ang parang nagtiyaga na pag-aralan kung paano ba mag-breed. For example, ang na-breed niya is flower horns. Mga mahilig sa isda dyan sa freshwater, lalo na sa freshwater. Freshwater. Flower horn yung first na ginawa ni Tito Ronald. Parang yun yung pinag-aralan niya kung paano mag-breed at naging successful naman. So I think more than 20 na baby, I don't know what man tawag, fry or parang baby flower horns ang lumabas. So meron pa natira sa bahay kasi yung iba medyo maliit pa, sobrang baby pa. So hindi ko na muna dinala. This is the first time na I'm going to sell yung isda na galing sa akin. Thank you Tito Ronald. Ako rin naman actually nag-aaral na ako para mag-breed. Kasi eventually, I think this is the business that I'm gonna venture in talaga. Kasi parang I never tried ba naman talaga mag-business, pero I think fish is the key. Fish is the key. Wait, I'll try to show you guys. Wait lang. See there guys, flower horns. Saan pala? Pwede ko palagay nyo. So far, may malapit kasi na pet shop dito sa bahay nila Iko, nila Nana. Sobrang lapit lang. Basta hindi lang traffic yan. Yung like stoplight lang sa nagtatagal. But I'm excited. Tinanong ko na yung presyo ng mga baby flower horns. I think nag-range siya from like 150 to 300 pesos per fish. So, let's see. So, nasingit ko muna yung konting time. Kasi may lakad kami today, pero ito muna habang wala pa si Nana. Sinare ko lang naman. So, bumalik ako sa bahay, may naiwan ako. Tapos sakto, may pagkain na. So, main na ako ng lunch. Binawasan ko yung tubig. nung mga babies. Kasi yung lubak lang, tanga ko, matapon yung tubig, tsaka bang bahala sa pickup. So binawasan ko ng tubig, tapos lagyan namin ng plastic wrap na lang. Hindi na yung cover na maluwag sa action, parang malaki sa kanya. Ayun, walang tapon. Konting tiis lang guys. Hey, what's up guys? Hindi alam kung naririnig nyo ako, pero so nakarating na tayo dito sa pet shop na malapit sa bahay nila Miss. So dito ako, itong Disneyland ko. This is like, grabe. Ito parang it's owned by parang family business. So saya, ang dami isda. Swerte pa nang punta ko ngayon. Swerte yung kasi punong-puno yung mga tanks nila. Tapos dito sa kabila naman, supply naman ng mga like food for everything, for like fish, dogs, lahat, reptiles, whatever. Anong katanong alaga. Ibenta sila. So yeah. So let's see kung magbenta natin sila at kung magkano. It's the first time ako magbenta ng isda. So wish me luck at sana eventually maging business ko to, yung pag ganyan, pag-breed tapos bebenta. Maging supplier ako, parang ganun. So yeah. Ayan. So guys, okay, successful na ibenta ko naman yung yung mga hindi ko pa alam yung tawag, mga fry or mga baby flower horns. Ang advice sa akin ni Tito sa pet shop, mas maganda yung presyo ng, actually parang gets ko naman, mas maganda yung presyo ng mga baby na flower horns kapag may, kasi di ba flower horns, they are known for yung bukol. Pag may bukol na yung baby pa lang, mas maganda yung price, mas maganda yung presyo. And to have that, pag nag-breed ng mga like flower horns, dapat talaga naka-segregate sila. Kumbaga may mga harang. Kasi ang flower horn talaga, parang solo-solo talaga yan eh. Ako lang naman yung nagko-community ng mga flower horns. Pero, yun nga, so para makapagbenta ng mas magandang presyo next time, pag nakapag-breed kami ulit, dapat isa-separate namin yung mga tanks nila. Hindi naman kailangan ng kanya-kanya aquarium. Like, in the big tank, may mga divider. Ayan, so, pero I'm happy kasi this is the first time na nagbenta ako ng isda na personally galing sa akin. Diba? So, Tito Ronald, tara, mag-breed pa tayo iba. And thank you guys. So, yun lang. That's it for my day. Huh? What? Okay, so uwi na ako. Bye!
Good morning, everybody. We are going to Tarlac today. Kagigising lang. Literally. Kagigising lang. Pero nakapag-toothbrush naman.
Hindi ka pa nag-toothbrush.
Nag-toothbrush ako.
Liar! Kakabaho niyo lang po ng kama.
We got a special gift from one of our most loyal and friendliest supporters, si Miss Tin Del Rosario. Tin bakes cookies. Wow, Tin, thank you so much for sending us your goodies. We're gonna try all of them now for breakfast. Alam mo guys,
Cookie!
Where's Corky? Corky loves cookies.
Cookie!
Cookies.
Kami. Press mo. Pwede siya pamilya.
Iba talaga pag homemade. Oh, it feels so warm and cozy, no?
What? warm and cozy. Ganyan.
Harap?
Ang arte mo.
Oh, okay ah.
Just study lang.
Ma, taste it. Everybody say hi to my mom. Hi. Cookie, try the cookies.
Tara, sarap na. Nasa gitna yung no?
Now, these are home baked for sure. Let's try the
Hey. Too much story.
I have to try the others.
No, you try it na.
You try it. Oh no. Tin, sa sobrang sarap. Ayan na. He's gonna try it later. I'm gonna try it now because I have to get ready. We're gonna go to Tarlac pa. We're here! Hey guys! So, we're just chilling here at Tarlac. Nandito kasi yung tito ko and dalawang pinsan ko from the States. Tomorrow we're having this big birthday party for my uncle. He's turning 60 years old. He is the brother of my dad. And my two other cousins, his sons, are here also. Si Kuya NJ and Kuya Louie. So we're just gonna probably go out later, then have the big party tomorrow. We decided to come here a day earlier para lang di na rush the day of the party. Makakapag-relax pa kami and di na nagmamadali, you know, when it comes to getting ready and all. So as you guys saw earlier, yeah, my mom is here from the States. She just arrived. She's here to help us fix things for the house, the final touches of the house, and to move in and settle in. I feel like I need her love, guidance, and support. Baka kasi kung kami lang ni Mark yan, ay nako kung ano maging itsura ng bahay. So, kailangan talaga ng tulong ng Mother, you know, Mother Earth. Another update that I want to share with you guys is Corky is currently not in school anymore. If you guys have watched our previous vlogs, you know that we enrolled Corky for the first time in nursery at St. Paul. There really wasn't any problem with the school. It's just that we're moving na. Pinag-isipan namin ng mabuti ni Mark kung kasi pwede naman tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung schooling niya kahit nasa sa Corky na kami. Kaso, because it's still pretty near, pero after a while, I feel like nakakaawa si Corky sa biyahe kasi as compared to like him going to a school that's in the village lang or somewhere super near na wala pang 10 minutes nandun na siya. Malapit naman kasi yung dating school niya sa Casa Corky pero may konting biyahe pa, tatahakin mo pa ang buong Commonwealth. If you guys are familiar with QC area and mag-Visayas Ave ka pa, sometimes that area is traffic and I feel that it's just more convenient kung malapit lang muna ang school ni Corky since he's still a baby practically. I'm really sad that we had to pull him out. Also guys, mapapansin nyo later on in the vlogs or baka napansin nyo na, si Corky, he lost a lot of weight. Corky kept on getting sick. And napansin ko yung mga ibang classmates din niya kasi sa school nila nagkakasakit. You know, it was really alarming how much weight he lost kasi parang he was coughing and he had chills. And then wala pang isang buwan, parang 2 weeks, he got it again. Hindi pa nga siya nakaka-recover. Parang nahawa siya ulit. And napansin ko yung mga ibang classmates niya nagkakasakit din lagi. So Mark and I really thought that, you know what, maybe we should really pull out Corky muna, let him rest and recover, and makapag-recover muna siya bago mag-aral, make him gain a little bit more weight because he lost a lot of weight. And he also stopped formula milk na and bottle feeding. We switched Corky na to a real glass or a sippy cup, and he is officially strictly drinking real full cream milk. For those mommies who are wondering, we chose Arla for the full cream milk. He loves it so much. Actually, we tried every kind of brand of milk and he seems to like all of it. Pero I feel like he likes Arla more, and he's looking for his mama. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. Where did you go? Did you see the rocks? Huh? Okay, bye. Bye! That's why we love being here in this house because he really loves running around everywhere. Hindi na talaga nagpo-formula si Corky, which is thank God kasi bigat din sa budget ang mga formula milk. Ever since, okay, so I breastfed Corky for 1 whole straight year. Strict yon na breastfeeding. When he turned 1 year old, I switched him to formula milk, which is Similac Tummy Care. He never drank any other kind of formula milk. Strictly Similac. He went from Similac Tummy Care 2, then Similac Tummy Care 3 when he turned 3 years old. And now he is saying no to that. He wants real milk na. He wants the Arla. He also likes Magnolia. But both of his doctors, yung pedia and yung therapist niya, they all recommend Arla. And yun, ang pinaka-favorite din ni Corky na milk is Arla. I felt like when I took off formula milk from him, dun din siya pumayat. Pero ang good news naman dun is Corky is actually eating healthier more. He's eating more beef now and more vegetables, which he wasn't before. So I felt more confident into really removing formula milk sa kanya. Like he's really getting the real natural nutrients na from food. and full cream milk from Arla. Parang napapansin namin na he's gaining a little bit more weight. Pero usog. I will be enrolling Corky next year, January na, second sem. And I'm debating between 2 schools in our area for nursery pa rin. Mark and I are still debating which one, and we're really doing our research on which school we're gonna enroll him next year. Ayoko kasing mawala na siya sa school. Alam mo, napansin ko rin, ang ganda rin kasi na araw-araw noon na nagsuschool siya. He has time to play and really socialize, which I think socialization, guys, learn from us. Socialization is really important for kids. You should never take that away from a child, a teenager, whatever. He needs to be with other kids to socialize, to mingle. Si Corky kasi, he didn't really have that growing up. Wala talaga kasi siyang kalaro noon. He really improved in his speech and his socialization skills. He's singing a lot ever since he started nursery in that school. So I'm really thankful for St. Paul. I'm actually really sad na we had to pull him out. Pero it's also the right timing na rin dahil palipat na rin kami, nag-aayos na rin kami ng gamit. By January, for sure settled na kami sa bahay, and that's when Corky will officially start a new journey in a new school. But yeah, that's been an update. What else? What else? Oh! Andy! So cute!
Kuya, sinito. Double chin, stomach in ka.
She's live right now, they hear you.
So, hey guys. So, it's the night of the party. We are also gonna go home tonight to Manila. Sobrang traffic pa. We're also gonna bring home our TV na habang nandito yung mga
UFC! May plastic din yan sa loob.
Oo. Figuring out. Buti lang dito yung mga ibang kamag-anak ko.
Hi lang, hi. Thank you. Visitan. Online. Store. Put there, here. Here. Okay. Here.
What's that?
Baby, here. Here. Slowly. Show it to mommy. Show mommy.
Wow! Are you gonna laba-laba?
Come on. And guys, so again, dumating na naman yung supply namin for this month from Visitan Online Store. So ito, this time, ito yung mga unang nag-grocery namin Visitan na dadalhin sa Casa Corky. Mga panlinis. Basically, mga panlinis dahil maglilinis kami sa bahay. So itong dalawang dumating na mga groceries is lahat to, no, for Casa Corky.
Mom?
Huh?
Yes, later.
Yes.
Come on. Come on. Diba, oh? Wow.
Ay! Cookie! What is that?
No, Cookie, no,
baby.
No, come on, write it down now. Baba na. Like this lang, like this. Oh. Yes. Next. Wow, bro, wow. This box naman, this is for the pantry sa Casa Forky.
Ang daming sinigang.
Pang sinigang mo, baby, oh. Pang sinigang.
Nor! Daddy's favorite.
Ito, pang sinigang. Ito, mga sinigang mix. Marami. So, alam niyo na, lutuin sa bahay palagi. Sinigang.
Like 3 times a week. Pork na sinigang, beef na sinigang, and salmon na sinigang.
Every day. Mga north, soup, rabbit corn, pastas.
Yes, I'm gonna make lots of pastas. I also have the olive oils there. See? That's mantika.
Canola.
That's canola oil. Can I see that? That's mommy's. That's for our pasta. Ay, Diyos ko.
Slowly.
Cookie.
Oh, ayun na to. Lahat of spaghetti, noodles. Oh, may birthday.
We're stocking up a lot of pasta, noodles, and for pastas, basta para lang maraming laman yung pantry.
Oh, then a lot of dito mga canned goods, mga
Garbanzos.
Whoosh.
Noodles! Noodles!
Okay. Corned beef.
It's Daddy's. Can I see that's Mark's favorite corned beef right there.
What?
Yeah. It's
Really?
yeah, same lang yan.
Ma'am.
What's that one? That's fish.
Ligo.
Sardines.
Century tuna. Lahat ng supply sa bahay sa mga unang linggo.
Pag tinataman magluto, kondensada.
Temporado.
For temporado.
Nick.
That's for Christmas. That's my favorite century tuna. The calamansi one and flakes in oil. Oh my god. Sarap. I think I want to eat that tonight. The 555 Spanish. Yes,
And
mayonnaise.
where's that program?
Oh, here.
Daddy.
Give Daddy cookie. Give Daddy. Wow,
Wow,
strong.
Hey, then we have golden goods that
Mark's favorite,
chicken nuggets.
of course, ice cream. It's okay, you don't have to. What is that? Rocky Road?
This is yours, no?
Yeah.
Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Okay, guys, thank you and thank you sa Isitan online store. So lahat po nang nakita nyo ngayon ng groceries, panlinis ng bahay, sa kitchen, lahat, everything is for Casa Forky. Dadali po lahat namin to sa bahay ni Kwatog. Para meron kami parang ito yung mga unang mga kailangan namin paglipat namin sa Casa Forky. So we're gonna be there na very soon. So yun. Bye-bye Project 6 na.
Bye-bye Project 6.
And shoutout po kay Cathy Samaon, ayan, from Subic, Ilwas. Thank you for supporting our vlog and sana huwag kang magsawa. And just keep on watching at marami pa kaming ipapalabas sa inyo tungkol sa mga buhay-buhay na. Thank you guys.
Lalang-lala, ilipat na kami, Cathy.
Casa Forky. Forky, kiss the camera.
Kiss camera. Kiss.
Camera.
Kiss. Oh no.